What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be answering a question from a viewer by the name of Kevin Block. Now, he asked me, how do you diagnose an alternator? So here's how I diagnose an alternator, and it's super easy. You need a multimeter. Get a multimeter. Now, Kevin, I'm going to make two videos for you, one explaining to you how to do it, and the second one actually showing you a visual on how doing it. So this is the explaining part. Get a multimeter. Put it on voltage. You want to go to DC volts, direct current. Now, you want to take the red probe and put it on the red terminal of the battery, and take the black probe and put it on the negative terminal of the battery. So red is positive, black is negative. Put the terminals on. Have the car running. While it's running, if it's reading 14 volts, that means it is charging. If it is not reading 14 volts and it's reading 12 and then 11, that means the battery is using its juices and dying. So the alternator is not charging the battery, and the purpose of the alternator is to recharge the battery. So that is how you can diagnose an alternator with a multimeter. Super easy, super quick. And with that being said, Kevin Block, I'm gonna show you how to do it in the next video coming up. If you like this, please like it, and anyone else wants to leave a comment in the comment section, make sure you do. With that being said, peace out.